I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account details here. You come here to account statements here. Just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean account statement here disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.